Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can claim your free plan for Disney Plus Hotstar when you take the connection for Airtel Fiber Extreme Broadband. So as you can see, some plans for Airtel Extreme Broadband comes with the free subscription for Disney Plus Hotstar and Amazon Prime. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim 1 year free Disney Plus Hotstar subscription using your Airtel Fiber Broadband, which is also called Extreme Broadband, right? So I have bought this $9.99 plan and I'm going to claim my Disney Plus Hotstar account for free for 1 year. So you need two things for that. The first thing is you need the Airtel Thanks app. So this is the Airtel Thanks app. You can download it. If you have a Airtel mobile connection also, you might already have this Airtel Thanks app where you will be able to see all your connections. The second thing you require is the Hotstar app on your mobile. So I'm going to download it. You just need to open the Play Store and then search for Hotstar and then install it on your mobile. And once the Hotstar app is downloaded, you just need to open it. And then in the Hotstar app, I'm going to select my language here and then click on continue. And then you will be asked to select the account from here. I'm going to just select this option which says log in. Okay, so I'm going to just click on the login option and then I'm going to log in with my mobile number and then I'm going to click on continue. You can also log in with your Facebook account. So at this point it says no subscription found. So I'm going to click on this option which says continue using this account, and it's going to say that my account is created, right? So we have created our account but we haven't paid anything. So now what you need to do, you just need to just minimize your Disney Plus Hotstar app. Just press on the Airtel Thanks app, which is going to open the Airtel Thanks app. And then at the top, you will see all your plans, right? So you need to select the plan you have purchased. I have purchased this plan, so I'm going to just press on this option here. And it's going to show me this kind of window. So here you will be able to see the details about your plans. So I'm going to just press on my plan now. So just press on my plan. And when you press on my plan, you will be able to see Disney Plus Hotstar active. This is necessary in order to claim your free account, right? So if you don't see this active, then you can't claim Disney Plus Hotstar for 1 year, right? So just verify your account if Disney Plus Hotstar is active and then just go back. So I'm going to go back from here and once again go back from here. And now this time I'm going to click on my profile icon here. So at the top you will be able to see the profile icon with the red image here. So I'm going to just press on the profile icon, which is going to show me the account details. Here I need to select thanks benefits, and once you press on the thanks benefits, you will be able to see all the benefits you have. So at this point you just need to find the Disney Plus Hotstar from here, from this list, and under Disney Plus Hotstar you will be able to see claim now button. So just click on claim now link here, and once you click on claim now link, you will be able to see this kind of window. Now at this point you need to press proceed button, which is this blue button. So I'm going to click on proceed button, and now at this point it says awesome, requested, processed successfully. So you just need to click on OK, got it. And at this point you will receive a message from Hotstar and it says Disney Plus Hotstar super plan has been successfully activated on your Disney Plus Hotstar account linked to your mobile number. So you can now directly go to your Disney Plus Hotstar account. So I'm going to open my Disney Plus Hotstar account from here. And on Disney Plus Hotstar also, you will be able to see this subscription valid till 8 November 2022, right? So I have successfully activated my plan for 1 year. On your Airtel Thanks app also, you will be able to see this account validation when you click on your account icon on the top and then click on Thanks Benefits once again. Also, you will be able to see the validity of Disney Plus Hotstar on your Airtel Thanks app. You can see in the red, it's written 8 November 2022 and today is 8 November 2021 in my case, right? So I have claimed my 1 year subscription for Disney Plus Hotstar using Airtel XStream fiber broadband. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.